I'm Doug here at Global West, and today I'd like to talk to you about some subframe connectors from 1979 through 93 Mustangs. Now what's on the table here is our part number, a 921. And a 921 is actually a combination of different components that we make that could be purchased individually. And we did a video not too long ago about the subframes for the Mustangs for 79 through 93. And it involved a 912 subframe, a 915, and then supports for the seat, which are these, is a 920. And we showed you how to install them on the vehicle. And they were all separate kits. But what we didn't talk to you about is the 921, which is what this is. So I'm going to lift this up here. This round tube that you see here, now this ties into the bulkheads. This is your forward bulkhead, which is basically the firewall. And this is the rear bulkhead, which is where the lower control arms attach. It's the strongest portion in the vehicle for the passenger compartment, okay? This here spans that full distance. This is roll cage material. It's 125 inch and 5/8 DOM material. It's a 912. This part of it, the square rails and the cross tubes here, that's a 915. And these are jacking rails. When you incorporate these rails to the 912, you can actually pick the vehicle up anywhere you want, whether the subframe, the jacking rail, it doesn't really matter. You can pick the whole side of the car up with one jack, and it's not going to hurt a thing. It can handle it. And then, of course, these are the 920s. And these are available separately from the 912 if you wish, but they would attach to the tube, and where these go is they attach to the seat, the front seat back bolts on the driver and passenger side. One of the things in those vehicles is over time the floor has a tendency to crack in those areas on the rear seat bolts. So you may have heard about it, seen it, whatever. The point is if you put a 912 on there and you run those 920s, the 920s will now pick up that load, because when you're sitting in the car the floor flexes right there, and as a result it develops cracks. When you do this program here with the 912 and the 920, we eliminated that condition because now the subframe is taking the load. In that video, we showed you how to install all of this, the 912, the 915, and the 920. The 921, the cool thing about this is it's already pre-assembled, ready to go. It's going to cut your time down 2 to 3 hours on installation. These still come with it, which is part of it. And they're also, I want to point out, is we've got gussets and these angled brackets, if you will. These actually weld in as well to help support the subframe. Now, the 921 is just an easier way of getting what you want rather than buying 3 separate kits. It's all complete right here. When you do the installation, just so you know, there's welding here at your forward bulkhead, there's welding here, welding in the middle, and the way these attach here, like this is your jacking rail, and this will slide up next to the pinch weld, right at your rocker rail, and when you weld, you're going to go 2 inches, skip 2, it's called strip welding, 2 inches, skip 2, 2 inches, skip 2, and you do the whole thing all the way down the side. Once you get this installed, the chassis is real rigid. It really helped out a lot. Now here's something else. If you got a roll cage, so let's say you have a 4-point. So the rollover hoop is going to be behind the front seat, of course, obviously, and it's going to be in this area right here. Well, it's either bolted in or it's been welded in, but there's going to be plates on the floor that are going to be available to see, or you can attach. Now most of them are bolted in, so you're going to have a top plate and a bottom plate. You can actually weld supports or angle gussets to that plate and tie that together into our subframes. Same thing on the front. If you have a 6-point, your tubes come down on the front here, you can attach right here and tie it all together. Very strong application. It's the best way to do it, and that's why we built it this way, so that it allows you to do that. 912, 915, now it's a 921 altogether. Comes with it, everything you see here, seat supports, gussets. Check out that video of how to install. You'll get a good idea of what we're doing. And hopefully this will work for you. Also, one other thing, if you got a convertible, this is stuff that you should really check into because you don't have the roof to help your support. Everything is through the floor. These are going to help you. 921s, check them out.